Okay, here we are in Vancouver. Nice little Vancouver special, very well taken care of, very updated. Now they have an updated water line. So we just pulled in a 1-inch PEX line. We've pulled the old line out. Look at all this landscaping that would have need to been destroyed. Hold on, I'll jump over the caution tape. Look at all this landscaping that would have need to been destroyed. The water main comes through the house behind that staircase. If we had to do this without trenching it, we'd have to destroy all this sidewalk. We'd have to destroy a piece of that sidewalk, and we'd have to dig all the way underneath there. We've done this job in half the time. And saved a ton of money on repairs. There's our new line there. Right here. We're going to get rid of this. New PRV. Well, this is the old one. Then we're going to take that one off, put a new one on. Going to get rid of these shutoffs. Going to get rid of those 2 Quest fittings. And repipe up to the clean area on the Poly B. Poly B should be replaced. We've recommended repipe be completed to the home. But there we are. That's all we had to do. We had to cut a little square of flooring. And then we're done. Another Trenchless Watermain completed by Highmark Plumbing.